ornament, etc. Like that is what I'm looking at to start the here review the
Yes.
Before I will give my not so long piece, mayroon akong ibibigay dito na examples of ornamental bamboos that we have. Pero bago ko sabihin yun, bago ko ibibigay yun, sino ang makakases kung sino ay kung kailan nag-start ang World Bamboo Day? Anong taon? Because you Edgar, sir, kasi you've been all through the
You're the judge in the world.
in the world.
Kailan
When
nagsulat?
Bamboo Day started, what year?
And what year?
What year?
September 18.
September 18, 1908.
It started in 2009 by Kamish Salam. He's from India. So it was that international congress in Bangkok, Thailand. So walang nakakuha dito. Okay, second.
Pass to the right.
How many bamboo species do we have in the Philippines?
500 plus.
Okay. 5 years ago we have only 76, but because of bamboo crazy people, we have now more than 100. Mostly are ornamental bamboo. Now, okay, how many Philippine bamboos do we have? Endemics, I mean. You tell me, kahit na common name na lang.
Tanubong. Isang bamboo. Sa bali na yung Chinese bamboo kasi
Buo.
yung ginagawang ano?
Yellow bamboo.
There's also the black.
Tanubong.
Anas. Bolo.
Ratan.
Ibigay ko na sa iyo tatlo lang na sabi niyo.
Yung bayog. Para sa furniture.
Black bamboo. The big bamboo.
Ayan no. Pwede yung anak na yung Chinese ko na naman.
Giant bamboo.
They came from China, but please, if you name your bamboo, it should be scientific name. So
what is
for
it?
you who will buy bamboo, do not buy bamboo natin or Chinese bamboo because they have more than 1,500 bamboo species. So sabihin mo yung scientific name. Okay, mayroon pa akong dito. Sino ang magaling magluto ng bamboo soup? Okay, you can have this one. Sino ang magaling magluto ng bamboo French fries? French fries. French fries. Bamboo shoes.
Never tried. Dapat yun ang what we have here. Sabi ko sa mga
Kanina si Sir, sabi niya, what are our impressions in this area? Sir Ed, your place is like we are in Ubud, Bali.
That's the body right.
This is the Bali in So, that's why I was asking you, can we hold trainings here on bamboo awareness? I think so.
Okay, so all right, ma'am.
We should not actually have trainings on bamboo in air-conditioned rooms. No, it should not be. So this is the place. Kasi I was looking at your bamboos kanina, I was not paying attention to the what first. Kasi binibilang ko yung, kasi hindi ako mauubusan sa laki. So I counted you have more than 15 kinds of varieties plus the 3 that we brought here. And I know you do not have the iron bamboo. So
Thank you, yes. Thank you
this
so much.
is already a place for bamboo identification. Kasi TESDA doesn't have an experimental forest, and this is the nearest to TESDA Luacan. While we have been beaten, I think they have only 10. And these are more running bamboos. So it's good. I'm happy that I came here. upcoming trainings na there are many maybe I said that's why I didn't ask when will be available. Pwede ba kami?
Yes, ma'am. We will arrange that on the
Yes.
schedule.
And you don't have to go to Bali actually. You don't have to go to Bali to see this para hindi na tayo magmasahe. So, kasi when we go there, we're just giving our money away. So, why not here?
May batis naman dito.
Actually, dito, pwede bang bumakit?
Iniisip ko, sir, kanina kaya I asked you how much do we pay for the venue. Sabi niyo, it's sometimes free. So, if we can share that money to the students, why not here?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Diba? And so, second thing, I'm really amazed in this. Only I have a place. I was already talking to mga kanina. Therefore, it's going to be an ecotourism. Your place is already an ecotourism. Mayroon na kayong resources. You have this place. You have arts. You have the lecturer. Ang need lang namin is what only we have to bring is the if you present PowerPoint presentation.
Yes.
I mean the projector and things like
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
We do not give our money sa mga big hotels just to listen.
Yes! Thank you so much.
I am ready to do this.
Small hotels.
So, when I came in, my mind was blown away. Marami nang iniisip. Marami iniisip na wow. It's going to be a family.
Thinking really large.
Tinanong ko, is that river even during summer? Is there river there? Ang hindi ko nakita dito, sir, for bamboo shoot is yung giant bamboo. You still have places, so there are other
Marami sa Baguio?
At akin Tino yan, di ba?
for our planning.
Maraming giant bamboo doon.
Mayroon kayong ganito na?
Marami sa Baguio, ma'am.
Plantation na. Marami na plantation. Hindi 100
Don't forget the names.
So, sir, thank you so much for inviting me and for meeting you in high level.
Sobrang din, ma'am.
So if we go na magpa-training sa abroad, why not here? They are just buying your money, diba?
And you invite people from abroad also.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, one of our guests here, ni Hiroki, nagapumay dito'y Edaya. Santo nagpaspasya Pedro de Lira. Nagyan pa dito'y.
Sir, I have another question, please. Do you have any bamboo craft, handicraft here? Kasi that could be a part of the training. Hindi lang bamboo awareness, science equipment, bamboo sources. Yeah, bigay somebody who can teach na agwit. Kasi it should be all kids.
Sina Kwan, sina Blas.
Das. Raise your hand, Das. Nice na, baby.
Where do you sell your products in?
Anywhere.
No, I mean in
Everywhere.
Baguio. In Baguio.
Mostly artisan.
We can produce as much.
Adote weavers actually the bamboos. Bamboo.
Hindi
Adote
lang natin
weavers.
alam.
Paano natin yan,
Paano
ano?
natin
Paano makipag-alam-alam kami sa inyo? Ay, makipag...
Actually, yung mga craftman or bamboo weavers or bamboo craft na medyo na disregard na ita di daduma awan ti pangilakuan hindi prada. And then no adaman ti gumatang ba kaya dawatan dan ta naglakangay ti gastadang andam mo ingay labor nga susunod ti DJ oras mo. Tamo no kitaan di ay bamboo product ti kaya ti tao tas lang nga dawatan ka tabatan mo gusto nga di ti medyo ngay na a one-day appreciation tayo kay tikas jay nga level.
Yes.
You know that's why, sir, I always in my trainings, na kayo nga training, please, if a bamboo weaver said this is 500 pesos, wag nyo nang tawaran because I have tried learning how to weave basket. And masugat ma'am. For those who are bamboo enthusiasts here in handicraft, do not bargain because it's much more expensive in other countries. And then,
The stories in every product being marketed is very important because
Yeah, the story.
if a buyer just looks at it and then he has his own perception of the value, baka hindi siya yung dapat na buyer.
yes, yeah.
We have to really look at the people who values them and is willing to pay the cost of willing to pay for it. But we are really wanting to database all the players ng mga industries natin. And I wonder if you have a group chat wherein we can ipasa the link of the questionnaire for the database profile. Para yun, we will have a reference of who to refer to people looking for, no, ano yung nilulok nila. Like, we have a group of architect who is doing design for fun, but sino ba ang makausapin natin? Kung hindi natin kailangan. So, we need to have that repository of mga players ng ating value chain. Like, if they want just the ceiling na kastauma, who is producing that? Na ready to buy at the hardware, gano'n. Kasi, yun. So, parang we have kailangan ng
Yeah, because if I may, when you artists who are selling baskets, we are not buying the materials itself. We are buying your brain because there's artists. Not everybody, not unless na kinupya nila. But still, they cannot copy everything eh. Because you are paying for the art side of your brain, not just crafting. So it's just like buying a painting, diba? So magdodrawing ako yan ng flower, it's not that beautiful as when a painter did it, a true artist did it. So iyon yung kaibahan nyo. It's not a common product. Yung mga artists, it's very selective. So, huwag nyo ihalo yung mga product mo sa mga weaving sa ato. Diba? Yung atot 250, that's it. Since 1976, yun na. So, yun ang kulang sa atin din, yung artist who can make different things so that it can compete with other countries. We have our own we have our own bamboo, itang lati abol na nga pasig, that is value added already. Kaya I'm asking kung mayroon ditong nag-weaving, and then we have the Cordillera cross na dinayin or something to add other value. It could be different. And where are these shows? Kaya tinatanong ko kung saan niya tinikita eh. Natin, I collect baskets na
Nimet, ano?
it's not in the market.
Sunod tumulong.
May I, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
What if, because this is, I've been looking at yun nga, yung ginagawa ng mga crafters and artisans, so the problems, issues of us in the community. So it's always sabi niyo, you're looking at who are you, we are all everywhere. We just needed to be converged again, siguro, to be, ayabanda kami. We're thankful right now, today, that Edgar was able to bring in some of us here, but there are more than us na siguro if we can all discuss this more, lengthily on what will be possibly our objectives ba, especially with regards to economy na, creative economy, tayo naman kayo nakaano, and that is only when people like Edgar could bring us together. But it could be more, maybe it would be spearheaded by your offices also. So, they're willing naman eh. Calling on the artists is easy now. With social media, we could just post, we could just ask around. Add your friends who are, into creativity on bamboo, mga ganun, or interested in bamboo farming or bamboo in the industry, I think it will be easier. So, for us, we are willing. I'm sure everyone will be willing to participate and give in also our input, our talents in every way. And there will be another to say, it's like a summit? Summit?
In
The next
ma'am,
one, yes.
you know what ang nakikita ko sa Pilipinas, Sir Edgar, you tell me if I'm wrong, is every time we want to have a training, it should be free. You know, if you go to a place, something that is free,
You do not
most
give yourself.
often than not, the DJ participant doesn't care because
Yes.
it's free. But if you have to pay a little bit, you know, you will like it. You will value because you put into things, you know. So, like, okay, our experience in DNR, we always give before free seedlings, free, ano? Tapos we will go and monitor. It's just there, dying. Because we didn't even pay for the plastic. So what if we will give training? You need full input, tama? Tapos libre. I think that what you did now, the free yung lunch namin, is already something. So I feel guilty na we'll just go there, ma'am. Sabi ko, and we will eat for free. Sabi ko, I think we'll just bring bamboos na lang, or bread, or anything. So it's not boasting, no? Because that's the resource what we have. But it should not be free, right?
So I will collect now?
No, I asked you how much is entrance fee to use, how much is, because, so that the participants will value. Kahit
Yes,
na
ma'am.
very minimum. Not unless they find a sponsor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We will do that.
Ready yung may coffee tayo dyan, ano, and we have
Kasi
coffee.
pala nagiging ako, hindi ako nagbayad
So,
eh.
we sing again another happy birthday song for Edgar.
Ah,
Okay?
wow.
So, lead us the one. And we have the instrument. Actually, we have artists and musicians.